Hello, and welcome to Vinchin. In this video, you will learn how to create the backup job for H3C VM in Vinchin Backup and Recovery. To back up H3C VM agentlessly, you need to add the host first. Just click Resources, Virtual Infrastructure, Virtual Platform. Click Add. Enter the credentials of the host. Click License to finish configuration. Go to VM Backup. Click Backup. Select the H3C VM to backup. Select the backup storage for it. Select the backup strategies. You can select full backup, incremental backup, and set up schedules for them. Also, there are other useful strategies like data deduplication, data compression. Just submit the job. Let's start the job. Now the backup job is finished. Let's check the backup data. The backup has been created successfully. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching.